Hello. We are going to begin week 3 of our 5-week course, so that means we're about halfway through our course. And today in Business 4200 Master Data Management, we're going to talk about tools and methods of mapping to the master database. All through this week, our discussions and assignment will focus on how we're going to concatenate all that data and then use it efficiently and effectively. So this unit will discuss how it's accessed, processed, and formatted into a master data management initiative. Chapter 8 explains that in detail in this unit, as well as Chapter 9. There are 2 discussions and 1 assignment for this week. The first discussion is going to talk about mapping strategies, how we're going to map the data to get it into a master data format. We'll talk about the goals, the principles, the benefits, the architecture, structure, and design, and then ultimately the tool selection that you will use for your master data management product or project. We're going to identify a strategy for mapping master data to core business processes. How does that all work? That's what we'll talk about in discussion 1 based on the readings for this week. Then in discussion 2, we're going to do actual tool selection. We're going to take a look at the commercial tools that are available for master data management. There's some examples in the resources section. You can also take a look at the tools that we presented in Unit 1 for options, and then you're going to select a tool based on cost, accuracy, ease of integration, and user friendliness, and present a prototype of a data modeling using software of your choice, either Excel or ones that were outlined again in Unit 1. This unit kind of builds on the other 2 that we've worked on so far to date. And you'll explain those in that discussion, and we'll talk about it and look at everyone's presentation and options. Then we have an assignment, and we're going to take what we've learned in the discussions and our readings, and we're going to use the tools and technologies for master data management initiatives, and you'll have a scenario, an imaginative one. You're going to decide, your company has decided they're going to embark on a master data management product, and it's your job to use the best tools and choose the best ones for your project. So you're going to review the tools and the technologies that are available for data mapping, and you're going to look at the criteria for tool selection, and then elaborate and expand on that, and make sure that you include cost for your tool, accuracy, ease of integration, user friendliness, and anything else that you think might be important based on your own experiences in your assignment. Make sure you submit that assignment before next Sunday, which is the 27th at 11:59 p.m. to receive full credit. Contact me if you have any questions. As far as discussions, be sure that you post an initial response and then 2 responses to your peers in the course room. I will be in the course room every day. I will be reading and responding to discussions posts as they come along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me either via the course room mail or phone call. I'm always around, I'm always available, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. This is an interesting week as we really get into the nuts and bolts of what makes up master data management, and I'm looking forward to working with each of you. See you in the course room.